just trying to think of an easy way to play this one. So we're just going to start with a little high riff on the high E string. So you start with your ring finger on the 9th fret of the high E, pluck twice, then you're going to go to index finger on 7th fret of the high E. So you're going to walk down to that 9th fret of the B. Alright, then we're going to 7th fret of the B. And once again, walking down to 9th fret of the G. Alright, so try that, all that. Alright, now following that 9th fret of the G, that's the beginning of the walk up. That quick little walk up. So what you're doing is you're just plucking that 9th fret of the G, then you're walking up to 7th fret of the B and 9th fret of the B. So all that together. And following that, we got some chords. These are all pretty simple minor 7 chords with just some open strings. So what I'm doing is just setting index finger on the 9th fret of the low E, middle finger on the 9th fret of the D, ring finger on the 9th fret of the G, and mute out the A if you can. And then you can just let that B and high E ring open. The strum pattern, down, up, and then a chuck. So you've got down, up, and then a quick, chuck mute. So what I'm doing is down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. A little slower. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Taking that shape, sliding down to 4th fret. Okay, so index fingers now 4th fret of low E, middle finger 4th fret of D, ring finger 4th fret of G. Again, muting the A if you can. Then I'm just going down, 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 up, and then sliding down 2 more frets to 2nd fret, down, 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 up. So all that together. Slower. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. One more time. Alright, so I hope that helps you get a good start on this tune. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.